Alright guys, welcome. Guess I have 8 minutes to record this. But I'll be showing you my toolbox tour. It's been a few years. It's going to be kind of a quick one. Over here I have my screwdrivers. Just the mini ones. Snap-on, Macro. There's even a Mac and Master Force. Over here I have all my screwdrivers. On this side over here, the side tray is just random stuff, so I'm not going to show that. The screwdrivers are all Hart, and I don't know the name brand of this. GB, I don't know. But they're electrical screwdrivers. My sockets are miscellaneous. Probably every brand that you can think of. 3/8, quarter, half-inch stuff. Some bigger sockets over there. Got some extensions, tape measure, more screwdrivers on the side. One snap-on. The rest are Hart. Okay, drawer number 1. Oil filter sockets. All my ratchets. No, this is O'Reilly's one. Power torque, yeah. A lot of Harbor Freight ones in there. There's a Mac right here. Another Harbor Freight. And a half-inch Harbor Freight one. One snap-on. Oh yeah, and a 1/4-inch snap-on. Go into the other drawer. It's a mess. There's a whole bunch of random stuff. It's a nut driver, picks, flashlight, Allen wrenches. The third drawer, the wrench drawer, it's grown quite a bit since the last time I recorded a video. A lot of different brands. This is a Snap-on mini wrench set. Harbor Freight wrenches. We got some gear wrench, Master Force, some no-name ones. This is a miscellaneous. I got gear wrench on here, Harbor Freight. And this corner is all gear wrench. Over here, this is all Craftsman. This is a Mac. No, this is a Matco. And this is one Mac wrench. And adjustable wrench was Hart brand. Oh, here's pliers. I got gear wrench, Hart, cheap Walmart brand. There's O'Reilly's one, Walmart brand, Hart. Nipex. I don't know, some cheap. They came from Porcelains, I think, back in the day. I don't know. Hart. Got some Snap-on. Irwin. Vice grips. Don't know what these are. These are all trade. Never heard of them. Performax. They have channel locks. Some hammers. This is the same hammer from back in the day. A Hart hammer, some pry bars, and that's it. Thanks for tuning into the video, because I have a light up here too.